Good morning, my dear students. Today I will discuss about GATE examination. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test Engineering. Why you should give GATE? You can take admission in the Masters in the Architecture program if you appear in GATE and clear GATE, can pass the exam. And simultaneously you are entitled a scholarship of 12,500 per month for 2 years duration starting from your date of admission. When to start preparing for this exam? When you are in the third year of the B Arch course, it is in my view, it is at that point you should start considering for the preparation of this exam. Next is how to prepare. So I will give you some points that how you should start preparing. Okay, now you have decided that when you are in the third year, you have decided that you want to do masters in architecture. So you should start preparing. But how to prepare? First of all, prepare one notebook where you will write all the important formulae, short notes, because that will help you in the last minute revision just before the GATE exam. Okay, second point, very important, you solve the previous year GATE papers. So where you will get it? You will get it in from the GATE website. You will get it by giving the GATE papers. You will become familiar with it and you will know that what is the pattern of the questions, patterns of the question, and what kind of question you can expect over there. The more you practice, you can improve on your speed. So please remember, giving the while doing the practice, keep the time also in your mind, and by that way you can improve the speed. Fourth point, give some GATE online mock test. There are several online mock test paper. So by giving the online mock test, what you can ensure that it is actually the online mock test, they are the simulation of the GATE exam. They have some online calculator, they have the timer running over there. So it will just be like the real GATE exam. So while giving the exam, you will be habituated of the actual feeling of the exam. Okay. Now see, after practicing or solving the previous GATE paper, after giving the GATE online mock test, by that way you maintain one diary where you will identify or write down your weak areas and make an improvement plan on that. And you regularly track your progress, that these are my weak areas, I have to improve on this part, and like this way you track the progress. And by that way you can plan your exam strategy also, that okay, in the exam I will start with this portion first and then I will do this because these are my strength area. So first I will complete this part and then I will start with that part. So it varies from student to student. It should be customized for each and individual student. So you are the best person to judge for yourself that what are the weak areas, what are the strength areas, and by that way you plan your exam strategy. Now now already you know that what is GATE examination, when to start preparation, how to prepare for it. Now let us discuss, or let us see the name of the institutes where you can take admission for the masters program through the GATE score. So here are few institutes which take admission through GATE score, that is IIT Roorkee, IIT Kharagpur, then NIT Tiruchirappalli, Calicut, NIT Calicut, NIT Hamirpur. Then there are SPA Delhi, Vijayawada, Bhopal. Then there is Jadavpur University. Then there is AMU, Aligarh Muslim University. Then Central University of Rajasthan, Guru Nanak Dev University, Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Architecture. Then Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Then JNIAS Schooling of Planning and Architecture, then BMA School of Architecture Bangalore. Lot more you can Google through it and you will come to know which are the other institutes they take or accept admission based on your GATE score for MArch, Masters in Architecture. Okay, now let us discuss about what is the GATE syllabus for the architecture. So first of all, architecture and planning GATE syllabus, the entire portion or the entire paper is based on let us say 100 marks. So out of 100 marks, 15%, that is 15 marks is kept for the general aptitude. under general aptitude, what comes? The verbal ability and the numerical ability. By the way, this part, that is the general aptitude, it is common for all the branches who are appearing for the GATE exam, that is for engineering, for architecture, pharmacy, whatever you are appearing, this portion is same for all of you. Verbal ability, so you can just go through the part, English grammar, sentence completion, verbal analogies, etc., etc. And numerical ability, so numerical computation, numerical estimation, numerical reasoning and data interpretation, etc. Now let us see that the syllabus for core subject, that consists of 85% of the total marks. As I have earlier told you that 15% marks, that is out of 100, 15 marks is reserved for general aptitude, correct? So rest 85 marks comes from your core subject, that means whatever you have learned from the first semester till your final semester. So the entire architecture subject has been divided into 8 sections. So I will go through all the sections, but please remember, in this video I will highlight the part which I am going to take in which I will be taking for you, that part I will be highlighting, and the part which is not highlighted, that means I will not be covering in my entire YouTube series, that is the structure for GATE architecture. So let us start with section 1. Section 1 is of architecture and design. So if you want, you can just note down the details of it, that what are expected to be covered by you in the architecture and design. Next is the section 2, that is building materials. Next is section 3, building and structures. This part I am going to take. So as you can see, already it is highlighted. So principles of strength of materials, design of structural elements in wood, steel and RCC. Then elastic and limit state design, structural systems in RCC and steel, form and structure, principles of pre-stressing, high-rise and long-span structures, gravity and lateral load resisting systems, principles and design of disaster resistance structures. Out of these few topics I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel. Please, while seeing my YouTube channel, please go to the playlist. From the playlist you can go to the theory of structure. There I have already uploaded 15 videos. You can also see the design of concrete structures, another playlist I have created. There you can see more 11 or 12 videos where I have discussed in detail the concepts over there, and also I have discussed the last 28 years GATE question papers related to that topic and that chapter. So please go to the playlist, and then under the playlist you will find theory of structure, concrete of structure, where these topics are covered, and few topics I have to upload in future. So please give comment in the comment box that which topic you want in detail or in a recap or in a revision format. So please put your comments in the comment box. Next, section 4 is environmental planning and design. Out of this I am going to upload environmental pollution, types, causes, controls and abatement strategies. Section 5 is of urban design, so you can note down the parts or the topics which you want to cover over here. Next is section 6, that is urban planning and housing. Next is section 7, planning techniques and management. Out of this topic I am going to take tools and techniques of survey, physical, topographical, land use, socio-economic surveys, and also this part, that is the application of GIS and remote sensing techniques in urban and regional planning. This part I am already the first part I have uploaded. If you want to see that, please go to the surveying and the leveling playlist, and under that topic already I have uploaded the different topics of the surveying and leveling. So please see the playlist surveying and leveling for this part. The last part is the section 8. This is the, I think, the longest part of this, all of these 8 sections, that is services, infrastructure and transportation. Out of this I am going to take transportation, water supply, sewerage, drainage, solid waste management. Also, I am going to take process and principles of transportation planning and traffic engineering, road capacity, traffic survey methods, traffic flow characteristics, traffic analysis and design considerations, travel demand forecasting, land use transportation, urban form interrelationships, design of roads, intersections, grade separators and parking areas, hierarchy of roads and levels of service. So these topics, out of these topics, few topics I have already uploaded. You can see there under the playlist of transportation and planning on transportation engineering playlist. You please see some of the topics I have already uploaded. Then I am planning to upload principles of water supply and sanitation systems, water treatment, water supply and distribution system. Then sewage disposal methods of solid waste management, collection, transportation and disposal, recycling and reuse of solid waste. So this part also I am going to upload in my channel. So please put comment over there that which topic you want, and also please put your comment that whether you want a detailed lecture on it or you want a crash course or a revision type of thing, that where I should just go through the basic thing and then I will solve the past question paper to give you a glimpse about the types of the GATE paper or the type of the GATE question they ask. Because the intention of my channel is to make you aware of the about the GATE exam through which you can do your masters. So please put your valuable comments and suggestions in my comment box. Thank you.